Hello guys, welcome to another new video. Today I am going to show you superhero's character as remote control truck version. A remote control truck is defined as any vehicle that is teleoperated by a means that does not restrict its motion with an origin external to the device. It is often a radio controlled device, a cable between the controller and the vehicle, or an infrared controller. Remote control trucks have various certificate uses including operating in hazardous environments, working in the deep ocean and space exploration. Trucks are powered by various sources. Electric models are powered by small but powerful electric motors and rechargeable nickel-cadmium, nickel metal hydride or lithium polymer cells. Which is your favorite character? Please comment below. What do you want in next video? Please comment in the comment section. Let's start the superheroes as remote control truck version video.